Hello everyone, back in the Moto Twins Garage channel. So what we're gonna do today, so Yamaha R1 fairings are back from the painting, so we can start working on. Let's go there and start put together the bike. Alright, so we are here in the garage. So about the R1, I have paper what we bought, the new parts. So fuel tank, stickers, headlight, both sides was broken, handlebar grips, air tube covers, clip-on and headlight and speedo bracket. This is what I bought, the new ones. There is all the remove parts, so all fairings are back from the painting, so they are repainted, everything is good. All side fairings, front, back is painted. So here we have lots of screws. I already put the headlight in, so here are the old ones, headlights, broken headlights, so we have new ones. Alright, so let's start put together the bike. We have lots of parts, so small Lego, and let's start working on. And I will start with the back, then the front fairing and the other side. So let's start working on. Alright, so back fairing in the place, looks really good. So let's move on with the front. Alright, so what we have here, what we're gonna do next. So I already put the headlights in the front fairing, as you can see. So what we're gonna do next, so I have front fairing speedometer bracket, so I need to put the speedometer. Where is the speedometer? Here. Alright, so basically I will put the speedometer to the bracket, then I will put the wires back in the place, and then I will just put the front fairing with all bracket, with all speedometer to the front, so it will be easier not to do separate. So firstly let's put the speedometer to the bracket, so try to find the right screws, right? Alright. One, two, the last one. This usually is annoying, like as you can see, the second part, when I started to remove all the parts, so it was like two or 3 weeks before, so it's easier than if you remove parts and then you put together them like after 1 day, 2 days, but now it's already 2-3 weeks, so Now I just need to remember what screws was there and everything like that. I think you understand what I mean. So anyway, let's try to find the third screw. Done. Alright, so speedometer is attached. Next thing, next. So let's put this wire. So this is the wire for speedometer, for headlights, and yep. So let's put together. So that's it. Let's put this bracket in the fairing, and then let's try to install to the bike. So let's go. First things first. Should be there. By the way, I don't know, maybe you will see, but this is the first time I filming with the DJI Osmo Pocket, so should be better quality for the video, and the microphone is really good. So if you compare with the other one I had, like for I don't know, for 20 euros from the AliExpress, so this one should be better. So I like this thing, like if I tune the head, so basically I don't need a cameraman. Okay, cameraman would be better, but marketing for the DJI, at least they could pay me for this, but I think the camera is really good for the vlogs and everything, for travel vlogs and for filming. So definitely with this DJI Osmo Pocket, I bought DJI Osmo Pocket combo or what, so I had like tripod, everything, so few parts, few things, extra few things, so good stuff. So what next? We have those two things, plastics for the fairing, still need to put them on. The tubes, I need to put the tubes on as well, the both sides, so let's move on. Those little screws, everything, it's so complicated. Alright guys, I think this thing is, everything is good. Alright, so front fairing is installed. One thing was really annoying, so as you can see here, there is the bracket, and the damper was installed. So the thing is, if the damper is installed here, you can't put the fairing on, so it was an annoying thing. So alright, so let's move on. The fuck, man. No izba. I think the bike looks good. Still need to do a few things. I realize that I'm still waiting for the clip-on. Need to straight the bag and a few other small things. Need to put on Yamaha stickers on the sides. But overall I think the bike looks good. Yeah, I need to put on the mirrors, few other small things, but overall I think the bike looks really good. Alright guys, this is it for the today, so thank you for watching. See you in the part 4. See you later.